So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Microsoft Edge browser is just not working for some reason. Now this can happen for a lot of different reasons out there. The very first thing to first understand is to just double check your internet connection. So what I'd recommend doing here is just double checking and making sure that your computer, iPhone, Android, whatever you have, that it's connected to internet. Because the Edge browser is available all over the place. So just go through, make sure that you are connected to some sort of internet connection. Now, after doing that, the next thing you're going to want to do here is you want to see if there's an update available for your Edge browser. If you have a iPhone, Android, whatever you have, you can go through and find your Edge browser and you can try to update it. Sometimes there might be some problems where the current, Edge, version that you're on isn't working well. So you might have to go through and just update it this way. It's going to be another really easy thing and a really easy way to fix that type of problem. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, what you can also try doing is try restarting your particular device. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device. In this case, I'll just slide the power off, give it a few seconds, allow your device to basically power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, I think that might end up fixing it for you. If that's still not working, you might want to go through and try disabling some extensions that you have inside of Edge, because that can also cause some problems. But those are kind of the main things to do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.